The next company we have is PTC. It has a nice consistent trend. The support and resistance lines already drawn in. It touches the support and resistance lines only a couple of times. Let's go for the checklist. Historical trend, yes, we know it goes in upward position. 2 bounces or more. 1, 2, it actually breaks out of the support line here, so that will be a no for that. Higher highs, yes, it keeps on, when it bounces, the price goes higher, even when it's up here, so that's a yes. Higher lows, no, because the last low is lower than the previous low. If we were to place a trade in this, we could actually place it here, but because it's out of the trend, it's not following the strategy that we would want to apply. But what would that percentage be? It would roughly be about 10%. It's roughly around here. So let's say 10%. Okay, let's jump into the next stock.